Hello and welcome to my video. In this video we going to learn how to clear clipboard in Windows 10. Whenever you copy or cut something in Windows 10, it stores last copied or cut item in clipboard memory. You can paste copied or cut items anywhere, and the last item remains in memory until you restart or sign out the computer. If you don't want to store items to the clipboard, you can clear clipboard data using our video as a guide. Let's start. Method 1. Go to Start menu button, and then search Settings. Once you get the settings in the search result, click to open. Click on System, and then Clipboard. Under the Clear Clipboard history, click the Clear button in order to clear all the copied or cut items. Method 2. Go to the Start menu and search CMD, and then right-click the command prompt and run as administrator. Type or paste echo off clip and hit the enter button. It'll clear all the copied or cut items. That's all for now. Keep watching our videos for more tips and tricks. Please subscribe and like our video.